The reason it is doing these short agitations is that sometimes the tub gets unbalanced and it shakes around and then the bleach can spill in the tub. And another great thing about this machine is that it's a little slow, but it does have rollover, if you look. Yep, there's that wave force action, and my camera's wet. Sorry, let me just dry it off. That was pretty cool. This isn't the wave force model, so it doesn't do it regularly every load. It does it occasionally with not the full force that the wave force model actually has, but it does get the clothes. It still gets the clothes really clean. If you're looking to buy a new washer, I would recommend the LG Wave Force. Any LG top load washer, actually, but don't get any. Right now, LG is the leading brand in front loader washers. But I would not recommend the front load washer unless you can fix it so it fills higher, because on most front load washers today you can't even see the water. So I would recommend getting an LG top loader. I've seen a Samsung wash. It doesn't have any rollover, but this machine has great rollover. Samsung, LG, and Panasonic or whatever, however that's pronounced, are basically the three main competitors in the business, because they're kind of the three companies that make everything. Phones, washers, dryers, appliances, phones, air conditioners, TVs, computers. As you can see, the tub's kind of shaking, so if the bleachers, that's what has to do those quick movements, because if the bleacher's pouring in right now, it would go in to where the motor is. Okay, thank you for watching.